Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to show game activities on Discord in a very simple way. If your games are not showing on your profile or status, follow these steps carefully. First, open Discord and log into your account. Now click on User Settings, the small gear icon next to your username at the bottom. Next, scroll down and find Activity Settings. Then click on Activity Privacy. Turn on the option that says Display Current Activity as a status message. This allows Discord to show what game you are playing. Now go back and open Registered Games or Activity Status depending on your Discord version. If your game is not detected automatically, click Add It and select the running game from the list. Make sure the game is actually open in the background, otherwise Discord cannot detect it. That is how you can easily show game activity on Discord and let others see what you are playing. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.